She said, all of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No, all of my bitches
Look,
got
I ain't really
friends.
gotta rap about it, I just talk about it cause I live it now. So let me tell you about this PYT that I seen this week I had to take a bow. 5'2" with a brown fur and a head tie with them light eyes. And she would make me throw it all away for a fun time and a right prize. Mad as fuck, ass fatter than a hammer truck. Ask her probably keep my hammer tucked. The type to slide them down and then a penny stuck. I run amok, wanna kick it with ya. Get a house and a picker with ya. Pop up on you at your workplace, not your birthday, just to let them niggas know I'm building with ya. Your best friend always coming through with that Macaulay Culkin when you're home alone. And I ain't even trying to dog you out, but can you feed a nigga just a little bone? One of you, one of me, you and me. We make 3 or maybe 4, and just 2 more just to even scores. Step 2, I had to play chess, had to hit her with the full press. Then I told her I'd do anything just to chat with her for a quick sec. Let it sit, let it process. Then she went and said, sure, yes. Whispered in her ear, told her, baby, I want less drama and more sex, right?
Friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique. Word. All of my bitches got friends. You don't need to pick. No, all of my bitches
Look,
got
all of my women got friends. Most of them black with a blend, and most of them off on the ends, and they don't care who they offend. Look, I had a girl who was tatted up from the neck down, she was super crazy. Met a shorty with an ill grandma who would fight a lot and she a 90s baby. Complain about me always on the road and talk to other women and she wanted babies. Had to shake it like a common cold, then I had a show and then I saw your baby. Then I book it, now we texting back to back with no indication. Now I'm flying to you, taking you across the world to see a couple different faces. Hood nigga dreams, fuck like movie scenes, hit it from the back. Boost your self-esteem. Heard you left to visit cousin them, reconnecting with your mama and them. Now you want me to fly to Sweden, after fly you to the motherland. You is mine and I am yours, and used to mine when I go on tour. I ain't really tryna play no games, I can win the battle, you can win the war. I'm just tryna fucking love you either on the bed and we can take it to the floor. Crazy how this all started out, cause I saw something that I can't ignore.
Got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clique.